Okay, so we are here in the website of Citizenship and Immigration Canada. So as you can see, physical presence calculator, scroll down and you can see start calculation. Click on that. And in here, you will enter the date. You will sign the application. Also, or the date you will be eligible. Okay, so just the year, the month, and the date. Also here, enter the date you became a permanent resident of Canada. Alright, so you can check on that on your PR card or on your confirmation of permanent residence. The year, the month, and the date, and then click on, okay, click on calculate, or you can click save. So we want to save it first. So I already have an account here, so I can retrieve anytime. I'll just save it first. Okay. Click on login. And then just put the name. Put on your name. And click on continue. And then after that, you can enter the date, your application. Oh, we already entered that. So click on calculation. And in here, did you have a Canadian temporary resident visa? So yes, so temporary workers, so you can use the 1 year, your 1 year status while you were working. Click on submit. Okay. Please only list the period of the time you are authorized as temporary resident or protected person status in Canada. So we'll just input from the date to date. So okay, and then click on add entry. Okay, so just make sure that you check on the year, and after that you can click on calculate. You spend serving sentence for an offense in Canada, so no. Click on no and then submit. Click on the submit button and click on continue. Okay, so did you leave Canada between 2017 to 2020? So no. Click on submit again and click on continue. Okay, so here the requirement is 1095 days in the 5 years immediately. So we can see here is 1687.5, so we have more than enough days. Okay, so we can save it or we can print it right away. So we'll just print this page and we'll use this one to attach on our application for citizenship. So it's better to apply first for your physical presence calculator, so you will know if you're eligible before you will start with your citizenship application. All right, so we'll just have a copy of this one. Okay, and just make sure that you have all the information. Okay.